Story 23. The Almond and the Wolf. Have you ever met an ungrateful person? You do a favor for him, and he does not thank you. In fact, he takes advantage of your kindness. Listen to this story about a tailtless wolf and a wise man. There is much you can learn from it. There once were an old and gentleman. Everyone in his town knew that he was kind. He helped anyone who needed help. He was always willing to protect the weak and downtrodden. One day, this almond was walking down the street, enjoying the wonderful day. Suddenly, a wolf ran up to him. "Quick, please hide me!" cried the wolf. "The hunters are coming. They will capture and kill me. I will repay your kindness, hoping only to save a life." The kind old man emptied his bag and placed the wolf inside. He covered the wolf gently with his belongings. "Make not a sound," said the old man. "I will protect you, and you will be safe." Soon, the hunters approached. Knowing the almond well, they tipped their caps to him, wished him a good day, and continued their chat. When they were out of sight, the almond released the wolf. Immediately, the wolf saw his true colors. He bared his teeth and growled, "Now that I am safe, I say it you. But what about the kindness you promised?" asked the almond. "What are you talking about? Kindness? I couldn't even breathe in your bath." The almond was both kind and white. "You were unable to breathe? That is too bad. Please help me." The wolf zoomed into the bath. Quickly, the almond closed the bath and secured the top, and went looking for the hunters.